Thank you for joining our webinar today on Edit Points and Layers and Learn to Draw. The first topic that we're going to talk about will be layers. Then we're going to talk about edit points, where you can manipulate your design. And then we'll talk about how you can actually draw your own designs. So let's get started. We're going to start off the layers demonstration by designing on a photo. So I'll just insert an image. There. Now I've inserted the photo. Now actually before we start talking about layers, working in layers, I'd like to talk a little bit about designing on a photo. And I'm actually going to make a copy of this photo. Now I've placed the two photos side by side, and I did want to talk about designing on a photo. Some of our customers, when they design on a photo, they're doing it mainly for presentation purposes. They're not really worried about the scale of the design in the photo. They like to have their photo large, and they're doing like a quick presentation. Now, some of our other customers love to size their photos to scale. And there are many thoughts on this topic. There is no right or wrong. Just be mindful of a few things that, there's always a distortion when you take a photograph. Even if you take it very front on, you can still get a distortion. So be very careful if you are trying to size your photo to scale. Also, we do have some designers who have said that they would never rely on measurements that were sized on a photo, especially for things like ordering decorative hardware. Just because, a photo, you can get that distortion. And so a lot of our designers, if they are sizing to scale, they will actually build an elevation rather than relying on sizing your photo to scale.